All right. What's going on, tycoons? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be taking a look at YEARN Finance, okay? And I'm going to show you guys why you may want to wrap your Bitcoin, right? If you are a Bitcoin bull. Okay, now YEARN Finance is a DeFi protocol, right? It runs on a Phantom network and Ethereum network. I highly recommend switching to the Phantom network. But basically, the first thing you're going to want to do, right, is you're going to want to connect to your wallet, okay? So if you have MetaMask, this makes all of this really easy. I highly recommend MetaMask, especially for beginners. Okay. So I have a wallet for the purpose of this video, right? Just to show you guys. So we'll connect, all right, and then it's connecting, and boom, that's it. It's that easy, right? So now your wallet is connected, and you can come in here, okay, and you can earn APY. You can earn 12.44% APY on your wrapped Bitcoin. Okay, now why might you want to do this, right? Because, if you're a long-term holder and let's say you don't want to sell your Bitcoin and realize some capital gains tax, right? And have to pay taxes on it. But, you're not looking to necessarily buy more right now either because you kind of think it's going to dip. What you want to do is you want to put you want to put this stuff in these DeFi protocols such as yearn.finance, and you can put your wrapped Bitcoin in the vault and get 12.44% APY on it. So I mean, if you have your money in a savings account and your regular just like cash in a savings account, you're not going to get anywhere near those type of percentages, right? Which is the reason that people are moving towards this type of stuff. So let's go into wrap Bitcoin a little bit. All right. If you go to WBTC.network, okay, you can get your wrap Bitcoin there. All right. Wrap Bitcoin is the first ERC20 token backed one-to-one with Bitcoin. That is fancy terminology for wrapped Bitcoin is on the Ethereum network. It's an Ethereum token. That's what ERC20 means. And it's backed one-to-one with Bitcoin, meaning that the price of wrapped Bitcoin is backed to the price of regular Bitcoin. Okay, so it's basically just an Ethereum token representing Bitcoin, right? And you can you can get your wrap Bitcoin on this website. All right. We'll go into it a little bit more for why do we need it, right? Wrap Bitcoin brings greater liquidity to the Ethereum ecosystem, including DEXs, okay, which are decentralized exchanges and financial applications. Today, the majority of trading volume takes place on centralized exchanges with Bitcoin. Wrap Bitcoin changes that, bringing Bitcoin's liquidity to DEXs and making it possible to use Bitcoin for token trades. So, this is what I mean. Without wrapped Bitcoin, you're not able to come in here and earn a percentage on this, right? Now, I have plenty of videos on swap sites, okay, so maybe such as like Spooky Swap or Pancake Swap, right, or Sushi Swap, where you can come in there and you can swap your Bitcoin for other coins as well, for like for Mim, for instance, for Curve, for Link. You can do that and swap your Bitcoin out. But if you really like Bitcoin, and you want to earn more on your Bitcoin and just stay a Bitcoin bull, then I recommend wrapping it. And once you wrap your Bitcoin and you have wrapped Bitcoin, then you can start to unlock the potential of DeFi protocols such as yearn.finance, where you can earn 12.4% APY on your Bitcoin, okay, on your wrapped Bitcoin. All right. Now, yearn.finance has a lot more to do than just putting in some wrapped Bitcoin, okay. They have MIM on here. You can go to the labs, okay. And then you can go to the Iron Bank and go in. These are all really interesting. Please let me know in the comments if you guys would like me to cover anything more specific into this. This was meant to be a basically kind of a brief intro, for people who hold Bitcoin and don't really know too much about DeFi and DeFi protocols. The first step I recommend doing is to wrap some Bitcoin and enter a project such as maybe yearn.finance, right? Now, of course, there's risks involved with all of this. So, of course, it's not financial advice, but more of educational, just trying to bring exposure to certain DeFi protocols, and, bring it to you guys' attention. All right. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm out.